Hey, we are going to be talking about one of your writing assignments, your spring writing prompt journal, and I'm going to go over this all with you. I'm going to be reading the directions first, and then we are going to be going over each individual prompt. There are 5 prompts, so if you would like to pick one a day to do, I think that'll be great so that you don't get overwhelmed with having to write more than one a day. And the directions are, as you work in this journal, it will automatically save. So once you write in it one day and you want to do the second prompt the following day, you will need to go to your Google Drive. Then you will open the document and continue working each day. You don't need to share it with Ms. Campbell because it is already shared. And also one important thing to point out is that each response should be at least 3 paragraphs written on a 4th grade level. So y'all know that means that you have to use capitalization and punctuation and go back and check your spelling and make sure that is written to the best of your ability. So what we're going to do first is I'm just going to go through each slide. And so the first prompt is, what are some things that you can't do in the winter that you can do in the spring? So if you have your 3 paragraphs to write, for each paragraph you can have a different topic of things that you can't do in the winter that you can do in the spring. The second writing prompt is, how is your life different than last spring? So you need to think about last year this time. How was your life? What was your life like? And then what is it like now? And then you have to write about how your life now is different than last year. And I can think of a major one right now, that we're not in school like we were last year. All right, so, and remember that has to be 3 paragraphs too. And if you want to put a topic for each paragraph, you can do that. All right, the next prompt is, why our class should have a spring picnic. So for this writing topic, it looks like you're going to have to persuade why you should have a class picnic. So once again, it should be 3 paragraphs long, and you need to write why you think that our class should have a picnic. And see if you can persuade me and Miss Campbell to maybe having a spring picnic. All right, the next topic is, you have been told to spring clean. What are 3 things you could get rid of and why? So when we say spring clean, a lot of times in the spring, after we've been cooped up in our house all winter long and we've accumulated things, we want to spring clean, which means we want to get rid of stuff. We want to make sure that stuff's been nice and cleaned, kind of getting ready for a fresh start like we do in springtime. So once again, 3 paragraphs. Each paragraph can be about one of the 3 things that you want to get rid of and why. Explain why you can get rid of this. All right, and the last prompt is, write a story using at least 3 of the following words: hen, egg, chick, helicopter, sun, parachute, water, and seeds. All right, so your story has to include at least 3 of the words. I'm going to read them one more time. Hen, egg, chick, helicopter, sun, parachute, water, and seeds. And you can be as creative as you want to be, and it can be an original story of whatever you want to write about. So we can't wait to read them. All right, guys.